certainly hope everybody's having a good day because so far I'm having a great day. We're going to be drawing a cat face, kitten face, and it's going to be, well, it's going to have a surprise, a little bit of a surprise. Circle, divide that in half, divide that in about thirds, maybe. Check that out. 1, 2, 3, got it, in thirds. Looking good. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to do a little bit of a triangular nose right here. Looking good. Kind of like that right about there. Okay, and then from there we're going to do boop. There's like a circle for the cheek and the cheek on this side. How am I doing on the green paper? You can see it pretty well? Okay. And then right below that we're going to have a little letter U, double it, so we're echoing that shape. Now we can see the lines a little bit better. Do a little quick cleanup here. Then we're going to do, let's do maybe about halfway in this cheek. We're going to go way up here and back around. Now let's see if our placement is good for that. From the tip of the nose to where that line starts there, we're going to put a little in right there. So that's this guy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Bring it around. There we go. Now a little higher there. Those look very similar. Clean it up a little bit. And now we're going to move on. I could measure how wide that is compared to how wide that is. It's a little bit wider on this one, so we're going to come back and do this. So now, once I have the eyes drawn in, I'm going to reassess this shape because I kind of made it a little small for the page. So we're going to go out a little wider on this side. Give me about that much room. Oh, there was my original line. Do you see it faintly drawn? Okay. There's that. Clean that up a little bit. And now, normally I would show both cat ears. I'm going to bring this right up about in line with this eye. I'm going to have one cat ear here. There we go. And then across here comes our surprise. A floppy Raggae kind of hat. Now what's a Raggae kind of hat? You know, Bob Marley, that whole scene. Gonna tuck that on. So his other ear is underneath where this Raggae hat's gonna be. It's big, it's floppy. Gonna come across here, it's gonna be super colorful. And then it's gonna come down here and tuck under there. Okay, let's start to add some color, shall we? I'm gonna lighten this up just a little bit so I don't smear that lead when I start to use the yellow. I'm gonna probably be using a lot of yellow for some of this cat. I don't know if yellow is gonna show up that well on green background, but let's try it. Yellow, oh my gosh, yes it does, pretty well. Yellow for the iris part of the eye, if that's what you call that on a cat, I'm not sure. There we go, yellow. I think I like this pale green here. like it. I like it a lot. Meow.